Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I know you missed me, I missed you too. Let's go straight into today's video. Nyanja said this is part 3. Osazibwelako kuno. Osazibwelako kuno. You should stop coming here. Kwapya maningi lelo. Kwapya maningi lelo. Kwapya maningi lelo. It's very hot today. Nizakutumila foni mailo kuseni seni. Nizakutumila foni mailo kuseni seni. So mailo means tomorrow. Kuseni seni means first thing in the morning or early in the morning. Nizakutumila foni mailo seni seni. In English, I will give you a call tomorrow early in the morning or first thing in the morning. It's one and the same thing. Wazipeza bwanji kuno. Wazipeza bwanji kuno. How did you find yourself here? That's in English. Nikuzonda. I hate you. Nikuzonda. I hate you. Nipelekezeko. Nipelekezeko. Escort me. Escort me. Siufuna. You don't want. Someone like asking someone. Siufuna kudya. Meaning you don't want to eat. Sufuna kunikambisa. Meaning you don't want to talk to me. So siufuna means you don't want. Wamuuza chani. Wamuuza chani. What did you tell her? Or what did you tell him? Choka hapa. Choka hapa. Get out of here. Siuziva. You don't know. Siuziva. Nibwezele. Nibwezele. Give me back. Nibwezele ndalama zanga. Give me back my money. Nabwelako. Nabwelako. I am back. Malaiti yaenda ntawi bwanji. Malaiti yaenda ntawi bwanji. What time did power cut? If you've been following my videos, I think by now you know to say ntawi is time. Kuli chimpepo lelo. It's very windy today. So chimpepo is wind. Nakamba siniendako. Nakamba siniendako. I said I am not going there. And then if you just want to say I said I am not going, you can say nakamba sinienda. Nakamba sinienda. Bwela nikuuze. Come I tell you. Bwela nikuuze. Come I tell you. Bwelela. Bwelela. Come back. If you want to say come back here, you can say bwelela kuno. Bwelela kuno. I've come to the end of today's video. I've been receiving comments to say my videos are short. So I hope this one is long. I hope so. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you receive a notification each time I post a new video.